Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wrap for this kind of chocolate. They're the nuggets. Here they are, Hershey nuggets. These are the ones I did. And I'm also gonna, we're gonna create it, we're gonna print it, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. And also, we're gonna do a breakdown so that you know how much you invested and how much you will make if you decide to sell them. Okay, so I got this bag for $9.99 and it has about 60 chocolate. And then this is sticker vinyl. And I also use a different one, but I'm gonna put the links in the description box of everything that I use. And let's get to it. These are nice to give us gifts as a party favors. Mostly I have seen them for baby showers. So what we're gonna do, I'm using my Cricut, and this should be considered a Cricut for beginners. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look for our backgrounds. So you're going to go images here, and then you're going to go background, and then we're going to look for that. So here it is. We're going to insert, and then we're going to go again images, and we're going to say baby. And it's on your library, on your Cricut. Here it is. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna go ahead and make it smaller. Maybe like right there. And I'm gonna put it right in the corner of one of those squares. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm just gonna go down and make it about the same size as the other one. And we're gonna attach the square over here with the clouds, and then we're going to duplicate that one. So we're going to put it right under it. There it is. Then we're going to grab everything, and we're going to go up here. We're going to unlock it. We're going to go here and say 1. So there's your creation right there, that fast. Then in order to cut them nicely, if you don't do this next step, when you decide to cut it, it's going to cut everything individually. So what you're going to do, you're going to put a square behind it. Hang on, shape, square. So you bring your square, you unlock it, and then you measure it the same thing as what you created. Of course, to get those measurements, remember that you need to unlock. Now we're going to make this white right there. And we're going to bring it back. Here we go. We got to make sure that it's completely nicely lined up, which it looks like it's not. Let me see. So we need to line them up. There we are. Then we're going to grab them again together. If you look on your screen over here, everything is separated. Okay, here's everything separated. Now at this point, you can even, if you like, you can make it a different color. Like if it's for a girl, you can make it pink. Otherwise, you can just make it blue. So then we're going to go ahead and grab everything again, and we're going to go ahead and flatten it. We're going to make it flat. Okay, so here it is already, everything together. Okay, now we're going to go to the printer. We're going to go to make it, and then you're going to come here where you're going to see the one sticker, but you're going to go up here right above apply, and you're going to go 12 and go apply, and that's filling up your stickers. If you try to put more maybe on this side or on this side, it's not going to allow you. because the printing for these things is 6.5 by 9.25, so it's not gonna do, but you are getting 12 of them here in one sheet. So then we go continue, and we're gonna put our 8.5 by 11 sheet into the printer, a jet printer. And so we're going to choose our printer right here. This is mine. We are going to take off the bleed. What happens when you leave the bleed is that it makes everything super thick when you're not going to be able to even read the words. So we take it off and we put our paper and we go print. Here it is already printed. So now I'm going to go ahead and place it on my Cricut mat. We're going to go ahead and place it in. We're going to place it at vinyl, because this is a very, it's not super thick sticker paper. We're going to go ahead and go here. And the printer is going to start looking at the marks. It's reading the marks. This is how the stickers look right here. And that's what we're making. There we go. I love this process. I really do. Okay, here we are. So now what we're going to do is take it off here. And then all we're going to do is take off. If they want to buy the sheets from you, you can do that. Or if they want you to go ahead and do the chocolate, then it will be a different price. But this is how your stickers should look. Okay, so it's been printed, and here are our stickers. Here it is. So basically what you're going to do is take them off. So you just go ahead and go here, put it right in the middle, right there, and you bring it down around and down around, and there it is. Okay, there is your chocolate. So you can make for weddings, you can make for, this is for baby shower, you can make all kinds of different ones. So that's all I have for you for now, guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.